so. What's going on, you guys? JPW here. Hope you guys have an awesome, wonderful weekend, because I know it is the weekend. So I'm so excited, because remember I told you that I'm going to show you that I got the package right over here. Right there. Yep. So I'm gonna do a cool unboxing, because I got it from New Japan Pro Wrestling. So let's get started. Alright, let's get this open. So yep. So let me check to see what it fits. Here. The manual stuff, so I'll show you that. Yep, right here. This is Tajio Nanto. Yep, your favorite pro wrestler stars in high school. Gave me this cool little polo right here. Tell you about him in high school and all. That's a wrestler that's look at this. Oh my God. Look at this. Yeah, this is number 1. This is number 2. Show you this. Open it. Cool. Check this out. Yeah, this is the New Japan Pro Wrestling tracking gear. This is a brand new. This is the 2021 New Japan Pro Wrestling. Right here, sports inside, and there you see the tiger. Tiger right here. It's really cool. And got another one. Yep. Yeah, this is awesome. The New Japan Pro Wrestling tracking gear for the top and the back. New Japan Pro Wrestling. Awesome. Another second bag. Los Iwgp, Japan. Let me check. Back. I think his name's stuck. Yeah. Los Iwgp, Japan. Yeah, this is. Yeah, I got this like early. I guess it was like last month, and when they have like a clearance sale, 50% off. So I got this. Finally got this and all. Yeah, Los Iwgp, Japanos. Top. Another tracking gear right here. On the bottom. Yeah. bottom right here, bottom right here as well. It's brand new Iwgp New Japan Pro Wrestling Championship belt. This is a brand new Iwgp Championship Wrestling belt that I forgot his name. Well, he relinquished the Intercontinental belt and the World Heavyweight belt, and they combined together to make this belt, because I know a lot of people don't like this belt, because they say that this is like a Divas belt for the like a butterfly and all that stuff. And I just said to myself, I like this belt. I know a lot of people don't like it, so they just disappointed. They just like the original belt. But to me, I like this belt. It doesn't matter. And also, it's really cool. So yeah, got this shoulder long and belt right here, the New Japan Pro Wrestling belt, and flat on the side, and you hold it. Yep, that's the tile that you have it. So this video, and guys, if you'd like to enjoy this video, please leave comments below and make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also, one more thing, guys, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I'm almost close to 500 subscribers, so I very appreciate everyone who like my channel and checking out my channel and all type of stuff. So thank you guys so much. I very appreciate it, and my family appreciate it and all that stuff, so, and including myself. So thank you guys for checking out my channel, and I said, like this video, subscribe, share, and enjoy, and also click the bell for more other stuff for JPGRA. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I guess see you guys next time. This is JPGRA saying, that was awesome. Peace. Bye bye.